The SEC is taking aim at Gemini and Genesis Global Capital. The government agency is alleging the crypto firms sold unregistered securities to retail investors through the Gemini Earn crypto asset lending program. Genesis and CoinDesk are owned by parent company Digital Currency Group.
Crypto firms Genesis and Gemini are being charged by the SEC for allegedly selling unregulated securities. Let's bring in Yahoo Finance crypto reporter David Howard.
T.Winklevoss says SEC charges over Gemini are super lame and a manufactured parking ticket. The Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) recently filed charges against digital currency exchange Gemini and its lending arm Genesis Global Capital for the unregistered offer and sale of crypto asset securities through the Gemini Earn lending program. But T.Winklevoss, co-founder of Gemini, is not happy about it. In a recent Twitter thread, Winklevoss called the SEC super lame, accused the regulator body of trying to score political points rather than work with his company's client. The Winklevoss brother launched the Gemini Earn program with Genesis in February 2021, allowing users to lend crypto to institutional investors and earn interest on assets. However, the collapse of FTX left $900 million of Gemini clients' funds stuck on the platform after Genesis halted withdrawals. SEC Chairman Gary Gensler stated the following: "We allege that Genesis and Gemini offered unregistered securities to the public, bypassing disclosure requirements designed to protect investors." Reserve Bank of India wants cryptocurrency treated as gambling. According to RBI Governor, the RBI's stance on cryptocurrency remains the same. They cannot be considered as a financial product and should be treated like gambling activities. This statement was made in recent interviews with India Today on 13th of January. The partnership between Polygon and decentralized exchange Uniswap. As we all know, Polygon has made many partnerships with sectors outside the cryptocurrency market that have strengthened the growth of Layer 2's ecosystem. Companies like Starbucks, Nubank, and MasterCard are part of the giant list. It is necessary to take into consideration that both blockchain platforms may be quite prominent in 2023 in terms of attracting more users to themselves. Polygon is one of the biggest growth bets because besides being a scalability solution for Ethereum, it is involved in areas that should attract attention this year, such as the rollups. As for Uniswap, it may capitalize on crypto markets' interest in DX, decentralized exchange, given that centralized platforms are losing credibility with cryptocurrency investors. But how this partnership can help each other? But how this partnership can help both Polygon and Uniswap? Despite DeFi movement being low in 2022, it has shown how important decentralized exchanges are. The emergence of Polygon has helped solve one of the biggest shortcomings in this industry, as it brings greater efficiency to decentralized exchange like Uniswap. As noted by Layer 2's development team, Polygon's low fees have contributed to the arrival of more services on Uniswap and even attracted more traders to the DeFi platform. Polygon also benefited from this partnership as it experienced large growth in its total value logged, the TVL, which may be the result of projects increased by visibility. Which may be the result of projects' increased visibility in decentralized finance. Now let's talk about what is happening with Binance $2 billion recovery fund. Recently, there have been some questions regarding the status of this fund and whether or not it has been disbursed. In November 2022, Binance announced its industry recovery initiative, in which it promised to spend around $1 billion on supporting struggling crypto companies. However, it appears that the wallet in question still holds nearly around $1 billion Binance and has not spent any of the funds yet. While Binance has claimed that 150 companies have applied for funding, it is possible that the exchange is still evaluating applicants and will disburse the funds in the future. Additionally, coincidentally, Binance is on the verge of acquiring Voyager Digital's asset for approximately $1 billion, and it is unclear whether this acquisition will be funded by Binance.com's fund. When Binance announced its original fund, it promised support for struggling cryptocurrency companies, including formation, technical execution, and further fundraising. It also claimed to focus on risk management, the potential for innovation and long-term value creation, and viable business operation.